Hello, welcome to my channel. Looking for the perfect portable blender? Whether you're at the gym, on a trip, or just busy with life, having a compact and cordless blender can make healthy living so much easier. In this video, we'll show you 5 of the best portable blenders available right now, each one tested, trusted, and designed to fit your on-the-go lifestyle. From sleek designs to powerful performance, these blenders are perfect for smoothies, shakes, and more, anytime, anywhere. So, let's dive into the list and help you find the right one for your daily routine. Number 5, 16 ounces Personal USB Bottle Blender. Pack your favorite recipe and blend fresh smoothies and shakes at the gym, outdoors, or anywhere you'd like with the portable USB blender. A powerful DC motor can handle fruits, veggies, and small ice cubes, while the 16 ounces blending bottle holds the perfect amount for a single serving. Plus, the blender is rechargeable. The blending bottle comes with a leak-resistant drinking lid, so you can enjoy smoothies on the go, and the bottle is made of a durable clear Tri-10 material that won't shatter or get foggy over time. Grab the included recipe guide and get started making delicious drinks. Number 4, NutriBullet Flip Portable Blender. This cordless, rechargeable blender is perfect for people on the go. Whether you're at work, the gym, or traveling, you can easily blend your favorite shakes, smoothies, or protein drinks anytime. The insulated 475 ml cup keeps your drinks cool for hours, while the spill-proof lid makes sipping effortless. Its matte indigo finish gives it a modern, stylish look that fits any lifestyle. The powerful motor handles fruits, veggies, and ice with ease, making healthy choices more convenient than ever. Plus, it's lightweight, easy to clean, and charges with a USB-C cable for fast recharging. Number 3, Ninja BC151NV Blast Portable Blender. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender brings high-speed Ninja blending power on the go with a cordless, handheld design. The 18 ounces vessel is perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. Blast through frozen ingredients with Ninja's Blast Blade assembly. Ninja Blast is rechargeable via USB-C. One-handed, easy open sip lid and carrying handle make drinking on the go easier than ever. The powerful Ninja blades crush ice, fruits, and veggies easily, giving you smooth results in seconds. Plus, all removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you want a portable blender that's fast, convenient, and easy to use anywhere, the Ninja Blast BC151NV is a top pick. Number 2, Cuisinart Evolution X Cordless Blender. Compact, cordless convenience meets full-size professional performance. Powered by 7.4 volts of lithium-ion efficiency and easily rechargeable with a USB cord, the EvolutionX cordless rechargeable personal blender does it all, from blending smoothies and shakes to crushing ice and pureeing soups. Portable. Powerful. Perfect or use at home or on the go. The sleek gray and black finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen or travel gear. Plus, the USB rechargeable battery offers quick charging and multiple uses per charge. Cleanup is simple too, the blending cup and blades are dishwasher safe. Number 1, Ninja Blast Portable Blender. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender brings high-speed Ninja blending power on the go with a cordless, handheld design. The 18 ounces vessel is perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. Blast through frozen ingredients with Ninja's Blast Blade assembly. Ninja Blast is rechargeable via USB-C. One-handed, easy open sip lid and carrying handle make drinking on the go easier than ever. The USB-C rechargeable battery provides up to 15 blends per charge, and the powerful Ninja Blast motor easily handles ice, fruits, and veggies for smooth results every time. Whether you're at home, the office, or traveling, this blender is lightweight, portable, and super convenient. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and easy. For anyone who loves healthy drinks on the move, the Ninja Blast BC151PK is a must-have. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and buying guides. All the product links are in the description below, check them out to see the latest prices and offers. Which blender do you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Stay healthy, stay active, and see you in the next video.